Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I got for you guys today is my American Influencer Beauty Awards box. I love this box, guys. I absolutely love it. Like, just starting from the box itself, I think it's so pretty. All right, so this is like a bi-monthly subscription. And what I love about this is that they always feature an influencer. So I love that. All right, so this month's influencer is Lala Beauty. Lala. And then she's the founder of Lala Beauty. So what it says is, hey gorgeous, I have poured my heart into Give Them Lala Beauty, and I am beyond happy to share this bundle with you. I have hand selected some of my favorite products for you all to try and feel the beauty that you deserve. Please know from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate all of my supporters. Everything I work hard to create is because I love sharing my passion with all of you. Enjoy your bundle. So I'm super excited about it. We have like 6 products in here. So the first product I thought was really cute, and this is a face mask. And as you guys know, I have like a video on like a million face masks that I have. And I like to have like another one. So this one is just black, and then it has American Influencer Awards here on the bottom. American Influencer Beauty Bundle on the bottom is what it says. And this retails for $12. And to be honest, it's not that good of a quality. It's kind of breaking here already. But that could be true because any mask that I have bought, there's been masks that have been like $12. So yeah. All right, so that's the first product in here. Next, we've got like 4 lip products. Okay. So we have the I Love You Hydro Matte Lipstick, the Send Nudes Cushion Cream Lipstick, the Trippin' Hydro Gloss, and the Wet Lip Quencher. So this is the I Love You Hydro Matte Lipstick. And this is what the packaging looks like. It kind of looks like that marble type thing. And then the color looks like really orangey red here, like a nice burnt orangey red color. And that's the color right there. Definitely something that I would wear. Next thing I have in here is the Trippin' Hydro Gloss. These all retail for $16, by the way, and the Wet Lip Quencher is gonna retail $18. So this is the color for that one. It's kind of like a more dark brownish grayish type color. Not too much of a fan of this color. That's it right here. This is the color Trippin'. Then we've got the Wet Lip Quencher. This is like a lightly tinted lip oil. So I mean, this is like no swatching. If I'm comparing, ooh, this smells like the beach. Oh my God, it smells so good. If I'm comparing it to my Yensa lip oil, this one is definitely stickier, but I'll definitely try anyway. And then this one is Send Nudes Cushion Cream Lipstick. And that's the color. The colors on the picture look pretty different. This is like a peachy nude. And on the picture, it looks like a pink nude. And that's that one here. So here, let me show you. You see, like on the pictures, they look pretty different. And the last thing here is a palette, and this retails for $42. So let's open that up. It's called the Pretty Palette, and it includes 9 eyeshadows. Yeah, there are 9 eyeshadows. So this is the packaging here. And then these are your colors. It has a nice mirror up here. Reminds me a lot of like Juvia's Place, or like that Makeup Geek one I showed you the other day. It's kind of like the same concept. The colors are really pretty. I kind of really like them for this time of year, to be honest with you. And the names are Naked, Baby Maker, One Night Stand, Blushing, Rich Girl, Pretty Thing, Bottle of Rosé, Walk of Shame, and Late Night. Those are funny names. So yeah, guys, they're very pretty. I don't want to swatch the colors because I don't know what I'm going to be doing with this palette yet. Unless I'm 100% sure that I'm going to keep it. I don't really like to swatch. So yeah, guys, I like it. So I definitely love this box. You guys know how much I adore this box. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys are interested, I'm going to include the link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, my loves.